Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by minimizing variables. Reboot the phone and see if the launcher recovers, because a simple restart clears transient faults. Once done, boot into safe mode to determine if a third-party app triggers the crash. Safe mode disables them so you can observe the launcher alone. Meanwhile, make a quick backup of important data, photos, contacts, and app settings, so any later steps like clearing app data won't cause permanent loss. Now you perform targeted repairs. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow System Launcher, tap Storage, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes corrupted temporary files and resets settings. Next, update the launcher and system via Play Store and Settings to fix known bugs. If crashes began after an app install or launcher update, uninstall that app or rollback updates. This isolates the offending change. Make sure to test the launcher after each action to confirm progress before proceeding. If issues persist, escalate safely. Perform a factory reset only after backing up everything, because it restores default system files and often eliminates persistent launcher faults. If reset fails, reflash stock firmware using recovery mode or the official Realme flash tool to replace corrupted system components. Once restored, reinstall apps selectively and restore your backup. Troubleshooting tip. If launcher still crashes after all steps, try an alternative launcher temporarily. That reveals whether the problem is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.